Did you know that tardigrades, also known as water bears, can survive extreme conditions that would be deadly for most life forms? These tiny creatures can endure temperatures from just above absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. They can also withstand intense radiation, high pressures, and even the vacuum of space. What's their secret? Tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis, essentially shutting down their metabolism and curling up into a ball. In this state, they can survive for decades without water. These resilient little beings remind us that life can thrive in the most unexpected places.